Cancers are the second leading cause of death worldwide, but less than half a century ago, many thought that cancer would simply be another curable disease, like smallpox or polio. So why is the cure for cancer so hard to find? The answer is evolution. Evolution is a process of natural selection. Essentially, specific adaptations that help an organism survive in its environment are passed down to future generations. These adaptations are caused by certain genetic mutations in deoxyribonucleic acid, or DNA. DNA holds all of a cell's genetic information to create proteins necessary to carry out its everyday functions. If errors occur during DNA replication, completely different proteins can be produced, potentially changing a normal cell into a cancerous one. Okay, now back to our question. Why is it so hard to develop a cure for cancer? Well, cancer is a very broad term used to describe uncontrolled cell growth, and can occur in many different types of cells with many different sets of mutations. This means that almost every single case is unique, and it is very difficult to create a single cure that can solve all of these combinations. This uncontrolled growth is caused by certain mutations in proto-oncogenes and tumor suppressor genes, types of genes that control cell division. The faster cancer cells divide, the more mutations occur, which means even faster division and even more mutations. Even cancer cells in the same tumor can diversify into many different mutations, a characteristic known as clonal heterogeneity. This means that different parts of a tumor respond differently to the same treatment. One part of the tumor can be completely wiped out, while another part can survive and repopulate the tumor-resistant cancer cells. But how do cancer cells gain this immunity in the first place? Let's use chemotherapy, a common cancer treatment, as an example. Chemotherapy works by targeting rapidly dividing cells, sometimes binding to and breaking up DNA, or preventing the cells from splitting. However, if a cancer cell survives chemotherapy, it learns to close off its cell membrane to the specific drug, and if the drug manages to slip by, the cell can push it out with something called an efflux pump, or inactivate them with special enzymes. Cancer cells can even manipulate their DNA beyond recognition, to hide from these chemotherapeutic drugs. So how are we ever going to beat cancer? Well, in Stephen Gould's famous thought experiment, he asked if the tape of life was rewinded and played again from the beginning, would life take the same evolutionary paths? Cancer is this tape playing over and over again millions of times each year. By studying the evolution of cancer, we might be able to distinguish and better understand any patterns cancer follows, and develop a treatment against it, predicting and getting ahead of cancer's evolution.
Check!
Checkmate.